Morning, everybody. Right. $1 million question, as I'm calling it. Right, you're going to do a resto, are you? So, right, you're restoring. You're going to drive it. You don't know what you're going to do with it. You're going to fully restore it because you want the car to be like brand new. Well, that's the area we're going to go out today because I'm connecting with you now. I've got a chap, and he's obviously proves I'm connecting with you, and it proves I'm connecting with you right because he's got a Beamer and he's been in his screen areas. So I don't know front to back, but he's asked me a question. Oh, great pop video. Sent me a comment. Great pop video. Just really give me some good pointers. So I know I'm sorting it out with you now. I absolutely know now that I'm in a position where, well, you're listening to me. You're starting to pay attention. So, but what I'm going to go over now, I'm going to go obviously because I put these liners in yesterday. Big ends. We got matter resolved with big end bearings. So that sorted out. They've drilled them out for me, done them. So there we go. So that's together. I'm going to show you that, but I'm going to go around car as well because this car has been fully nut and bolt. Now, if this is the way you're going, I mean, it's even you can see at the side of it, tank the details. Now, very, very, probably one of the best ones in the country, no doubt about it. It's probably one of the better ones. Well, not the better one, probably the best one. Now, it's the attention to details, unbelievable what I've had to go to. But if this is where you're going, you need a lot of time. And to be honest with you, if this is what's in your mind, this is what I want to do. I can't live running it like this. I can't live having a bit here. I know you'll have that, but you can get there, but time and more time and more time. Right, we're taking it to bits. So you're going to take it to bits. You're going to get it to a carcass. You might pull your floor pans out. You might have your wings off. Well, you need your wings off if it's one of these. Trust me. Then you'll need your floor pans out and all. And you get it down. You've got your carcass. 12 months will have gone. Trust me. 12 months will have gone. Then you're on your spreadsheet, like I've told you. My spreadsheets are in here. Yours aren't. You're going to have to write it down. You have to source things. I don't know what your skill and knowledge is. I'm not saying you're all in that. Some of you might be on par with me. You might be better than me. But you've got to then get it worked out how you're planning it, how you're attacking it. Obviously, you're welding, so is somebody doing it for you? Are you doing it? What are you doing? Who's putting bits in that? Can you source them bits? Like this is a Mach 1, it had Mach 2 floor pans. A lot of work, a lot of messing about. But they're in. So to even down to detail, I'll show you in a bit when I grab camera. It's like I had to even make the seat supports, what support the seats. I had to make them. So, and then now we've gone to this level in detail. He's on about they were always exposed in the car. They were never covered up, and now he's on about shall we cover that? It don't need it. It doesn't need it. But this is what happens when you get to this level. You just carry on and on and on and on. And well, as I've just said, it'll take a hell of a long time in your life. Probably 3 years, probably 4. You're probably smirking at me and you're laughing and thinking, what's he on about? Well, all right, think what I'm on about. But listen, when I go down to some of the details we end up with, I don't know what time you've got. You might have retired. You might have got all the time in the world. But also, you might have all the time in the world, but you might have another half who wants to go here. You've got to go chuck a few holidays in. You might have, I don't know what, you've got grandkids. You might have to go around to, what is it, daughter or son's house, bit of decorating, keep peace there. You've got all these other things to do, and you're trying to sort this. You've probably got your income taken care of. You've probably got that bit, your pension sorted, whatever the finance for it is, it'll be there. But also, probably what you financed as well. I should have had a couple of notes on end because you'll end up there. But I'm going to grab camera off you now, anyway. I'm just going to show you around these liners, bit of shifting. Then I'm going to just go a bit round car. And I'm just going to point you to areas that are going to take the time, And you're still, even though I'm at latter stages with this now, tank to go in, we've got liner kit to go in tank. I've got it. It's, what is it? Oops, I'm not stop that up. Oh, we're still on. I'll put it back on. This video's gone a bit heavy-quavy, so be it. But I'm sure we'll manage. Right, that's that. So, it's a fair tan. We'll show you how that one works. No, that'll be on another video. But I'm going to take you around bits now, bits and pieces. I've got these. I'm getting splash guards on today. Various other bits and pieces. Client comes down. He comes down to his car on a Friday. Helps that. So, well, let me grab camera. You can see how real we are down here anyway. And I'll put some lights on. So, come on then. We're going at bonnet. Right, so under here, look. You can have another light as well. We're even down to details here. Let me show you lights of these brake pipes. They're bent to that shape because they have an air filter there, and then you've got to get it out. That's how you have to have it. I mean, you can see with subframe, everything's been blasted off, everything's been put back together. Even down to your stone chip down here. Battery, I had to make a new battery mount for it. That's the only battery fits this. Everything else is good, you know, even down at new bolts in bonnet, stuff like that. It's all right, all good. New seal there. Radiator record, everything 120%. I mean, I'm under here obviously because I'm doing splash guards. I had to take, what is it out yesterday? The original bonnet, cable, because it were a bit stiff, so I had to oil all that up. Now that's fixed in and done. I have a little bit of stone chip in here, but I wanted to get everything set up for a bit of seam sealing for extra protection, which I might do a video on that. We'll see where we go. But you can see every detail's done, everything's protected, and everything's 120%. Same here. So, right, so we come to inside here. We're in a situation where, got that on there, you've seen seats. Doors are nice, shut nice. I ain't even got seals on yet, but they shut lovely. A little bit of tweaking when I put seals on. Seats are all done. You can now see that glove boxes in, stuff like that. You saw carpets all get edged up stuff, you know. These tilt forward, obviously, things like that. Everything's nice and everything's right. Now, see them footprints over there? No doubt you'll see them. That's because when on that side I had to put throttle back on, throttle lever, pedal, and that's where my feet ended up to put it on. So it was 2 timbers for 8 gear. Bit of work just round there for seat belts and a bit of covers to make. So, and then up door cards, which that probably will be a video for you. So you can see that as well. Now, these at last bits here with an exhaust, with the tank to put in. My splash guards are in here. They've all been stone chipped up, so they'll be sweet. We've got boot lock on now. Handles are on both sides. Locks on that side. In fact, that would have job in its Senate. I don't know why, but this car only had one lock on one side. So I don't know if some left factory like that. But I've seen them with 2 and I've seen them with 1. So, but that's sorted now. Well, you can see detail in brake pipes, original fuse wood, everything. But if you take one apart, this is where you end up. And you're probably still going on. You know, you'll be going on and on and on. Now, I'll show you what I'm referring to. What client we're on about regarding his doors, his seats. You just look down here. You can just make that bit of red out. Well, do you think we ought to cover? Well, this is what happens when you start going to this level. Because you're in a situation where you're just trying to push on something that it wasn't the factory. But if that's what you want, that's what you want. And that's what you end up with. So I'm not saying don't do it, but I'm just showing you what happens. And I'm just showing you how easy it happens. And when you get into details like, say, fully rebuild an engine like this, it's not a walk-it park. It's not the average guy that's going to do it. Even down to these old linear liners in here, they're all been surfaced off. They're all perfectly flat. They're not going to cause any problems. You know, they're just doing the job. And the sealer, I can smell it. I can even see it as plain as they probably just make the white lip coming out of the piston there. It's absolutely done the job perfect. What they're all recommending now, you see it there, that white. So, but not a walking park doing this, far from it. Especially when you've got to build one of these. We can also ask questions. We've even got correct, in this here, there's a chrome trim goes through here. So we've even got the correct clips that go in here to put the chrome trims on. And I've got to square the trims up because that's what we want. So that's a look. I know this is a Jensen Healey, but it's still a restoration. Now, well, it's an epic. And they're very much of an epic now. But if that's what you think you'll want to do, it'll probably take you 3 years, I would say. Easy. You know, you'll say you're going to do it in 18 months. You come from management, we can do, well, get on with it. But you want to get to a level like this, it's going to take you that time. So it's as simple as that. So there's your video anyway for today. Now give me a like if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff like this. You don't have to subscribe, but it helps me out. But keep watching, you know, pass comments. God keeps community going. But as I've just said, this is level you want. Put your light back on, let you have a look, just another one last look. Client's going to probably clean up all under there before I put engine in. Everything's just so. Get on with it. Make sure you've got enough time. Make sure you've got enough money. And all the best with it. So I'll catch you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Cheers.